I'm going to show you how to revive a dead YouTube video without re-uploading. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you're going to head over to studio.youtube.com. We're going to need to be in this page in order for us to actually revive a dead YouTube video. So among the list of videos that I have here uploaded, you can see that only one is thriving. So in order for us to revive the rest, we are going to do these steps. So first, we're going to choose a video that we want to revive. So I'm going to choose this one. And then for the first solution, it is to refresh the visual hook. So from this page, you're going to head over to the Content tab or the Details tab, depending on the layout of your YouTube studio. And then from here, you're just going to scroll down until you see this thumbnail right here. Now, what you can do is to upload a new thumbnail with higher contrast or clearer text. So in order for you to do that, you're just going to hover your mouse over this. You're going to click on the three dots right here, which is the options button. And then once you click on it, you're just going to click on change right here and then upload the new thumbnail of your choice. Now, a fresh thumbnail can drastically improve your click-through rate, signaling to the algorithm that the video is worth promoting again. Now, another thing that you can do is to update the first 15 characters. So you're going to edit your video's title right here to place a currently trending keyword at the very beginning. So you can just change this into something more clear instead of this title right here, which is actually quite unclear. And this will help the video reappear in current search results and tells the recommendation system that the content is still relevant to modern audiences. Now, another thing that we can do is to add a strategic end screen. So you can use the editor right here from the left side of the screen. Just click on that, and you can use this to add end screens to your newest successful videos that link directly back to the older dead video. But in the new update of the YouTube Studio, you can actually do this even to older videos like this one. So once you hit on editor right here, you're just going to click on get started and it will take you to this page. And then you will see this end screen button right here. What you're going to do is you can just click on edit right here, or you can also head over to this editor at the bottom, and then from the end screen you're gonna click on this edit right here and it will add an end screen right here. You can just click on add element to add more elements to this. Now this sends a fresh wave of high retention viewers to older content, which can reach your algorithmic promotion. Now you can also do this to high performing videos so that they will be redirected to this video and actually promote it. And that's it. That is how you can revive a dead YouTube video without re-uploading. Basically, everything that we did here is just, changing some of the settings of the videos that we already have.